Welcome to the multiplication course. My name is Steve Whiteborney, and this is the Chapter 2 preview. Before we begin Chapter 2, let me give you an idea of what you will be learning about in this chapter. Each of these pictures represents one lesson or a short series of lessons from this chapter. Let's take a closer look. In the first lesson, which is called 2 times 5 is more than simply 10, I'll challenge you to think about many different ways that 2, 5, and 10 are related to each other. You might be surprised at how many connections and how many relationships there are among these three numbers. In the next lesson, I'll teach you how to draw a blank number concept map. It's quick and simple. Then you'll create 3 number concept maps, just like this, that illustrate many ways of thinking about multiplication. Then, in the next lesson, there is a visual question mix. This is a set of questions that are all pictures. Many of the questions will ask you to find the total. You might find the answer to each one in several different ways. Then you'll come to an activity called Structurally Speaking. You'll see some three-dimensional structures, like this one. The question will be, how many cubes are there? You might see it in several different ways. For example, in this structure, you might see a group of 6 in the front, and you might see another group of 6 in the back. You can see that 2 groups of 6 is equal to 12, but that's not all. At the same time, you may also see that there is 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4, and that is also equal to 12. This is a great lesson for talking about math, which is an important way to learn. Then you'll see the mystery shape for this chapter. Here are 4 copies of the mystery shape, which gives you a chance to see it in several different ways. You'll also have a chance to write and describe what you are seeing. In the next lesson, it will be time to draw. I will teach you how to draw the 3-dimensional mystery shape. I'll take you through the drawing step by step, and when you are finished, you will know how to draw this structure. Next is the multiplication tile challenge. It's a set of puzzles like this one. I'll show you a shape just like this, then I'll show you a clue like this. I'll even set the clue on the shape for just a moment so you can see how it compares. Then it will be your turn to use multiplication thinking to find the total value of the shape. These are multiplication tile challenges. Then you'll make a list of 36 equations, which will be the first list. I'll show you how to test the list, then I'll show you how to sort the list, and after that I'll show you where to look on the list to find powerful learning opportunities. The chapter ends with the multiplication motion challenge. Make some space because you will be tearing paper, moving it around in front of you, following the motion in the video, or doing it completely on your own and seeing if you can complete the challenge. The entire time you will be learning very important ideas about multiplication. This is a preview of Chapter 2. Let's begin.